If you were trying to decide between Grammarly AI and ProWriting AI, you were probably looking for one thing above all else: the best grammar tool for the way you actually write. And while both tools promise cleaner, stronger, more polished writing, they are not built the same way at all. One is designed for fast, everyday writing across the web. The other is built like a deep analysis engine for long-form content, books, and serious editing work. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step comparison of Grammarly AI and ProWriting AI, so by the end, you will know exactly which one is worth your money. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more software comparisons and AI tool guides. Let's start with the biggest question first. What do you actually get for free? When you compare the free plans, Grammarly is the more flexible option right away. Its free version does not put a word limit on the text you can check. That means you can paste in a long email, a blog post, or even a full draft, and it will still scan for spelling mistakes, grammar issues, and basic punctuation problems. Grammarly also gives you access to a limited number of generative AI prompts each month, which is useful if you want to quickly rewrite a sentence or draft a short piece of text. ProWriting AI, on the other hand, takes a much stricter approach. Its free plan limits your checks to 500 words at a time. So if you are working on a long article or a chapter in a manuscript, you cannot analyze the entire thing in one go. You'll need to break it into smaller sections. It does include basic grammar support, but its more advanced AI features are heavily capped, so the free plan is more of a preview than a full working solution. Now let's move into the main paid plans, because this is where the real comparison starts to matter. Grammarly now offers its paid features under Grammarly Pro. If you pay month to month, it is the more expensive option, but if you go with annual billing, the price drops significantly. With Grammarly Pro, you unlock stronger sentence rewrites, tone adjustments, plagiarism detection, and a much higher amount of AI-generated assistance. This makes it a strong choice for people who write emails, reports, marketing copy, or short-form content every day and want speed above everything else. ProWriting AI Premium is priced very similarly at the monthly level, but it becomes more affordable when billed annually. The big difference is not just the cost, but the type of work it is built for. Once you upgrade, the 500-word limit disappears, and you can analyze much longer documents. That makes it a better fit for writers working on essays, novels, scripts, and detailed editorial projects. It also leans heavily into structure, style, rhythm, and sentence-level improvement, rather than just quick corrections. One thing to pay close attention to is plagiarism checking. Grammarly includes it in its main paid experience, while ProWriting AI often keeps plagiarism checks as a separate add-on. So if plagiarism scanning is a must-have for you, that alone may influence your decision. Next, let's talk about the advanced AI features, because this is where the two platforms really separate themselves. Grammarly is built for instant action. You can highlight text, type a prompt, and ask it to change the tone, simplify the wording, make it more persuasive, or shorten it. It responds quickly and keeps you moving. This is ideal if you are switching between emails, browser tabs, documents, and social platforms throughout the day. ProWriting AI works more like a professional writing coach. Instead of just rewriting text for you, it analyzes your writing style with deep reports. It can flag repeated words, overused phrases, cliches, awkward pacing, and structural weaknesses. That means it is less about speed and more about helping you become a stronger writer over time. If you care about long-form quality, it gives you a lot more insight into how your writing actually performs. Now let's compare where each tool fits into your workflow. Grammarly has the advantage when it comes to convenience. It works across browsers, desktop apps, and mobile keyboards, which means it follows you almost everywhere you type. If you want grammar help while writing in Gmail, Google Docs, Slack, or on your phone, Grammarly is extremely convenient. ProWriting AI is more focused on desktop writing environments. It integrates especially well with tools like Microsoft Word and Scrivener, which makes it a strong companion for authors and serious content creators. It is less about being everywhere and more about being excellent in the places where long-form writing happens. Privacy is another major point to think about. Grammarly processes user text to improve its AI systems, so if you are working with sensitive content, that is something to keep in mind. ProWriting AI, by contrast, is very clear about not using your text to train its AI models. For writers, authors, and professionals handling confidential material, that can be a very important advantage. So which one should you choose? Choose Grammarly AI if you want the fastest, easiest, most flexible grammar tool for daily writing, emails, browser work, and quick AI rewrites. It is better for people who value convenience and speed. Choose ProWriting AI if you are working on long documents, creative writing, manuscripts, and detailed content that needs deep structural analysis. It is better for writers who want more than corrections and actually want feedback on style, flow, and repetition. So in the end, it's not really about which one is better overall. It's about which one is better for your workflow. Grammarly is the better all-purpose writing assistant, while ProWritingAid is the stronger long-form editing coach. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more AI software breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.